Hi everyone, this is Lucy with WTI, and this is the secret to soft paws. Drying and cracking paws are no fun. This is our night routine with our dogs, and as you can see, my husband's getting in all the nooks and crannies. Sai, on the other hand, is a little more of a licker, so he will try to lick the secret Musher off his paw. Socks are a great idea for the lickers. You can put these socks on and the Musher will stay on. So this is a 200-gram container, and it can last us for about 2 months. As you can see, the consistency is almost like Vaseline, and it smells really good. But it is great for the winter time. It's great for them to have it when they go on rough terrain, hikings, if your dog's really active. Your dogs will absolutely thank you for giving them soft paws, and that's my point of view.